The points on the graph represent values for y equals x plus 2. Which table represents the relationship between the values of x and y? So this is a pattern question. So double T chart, x, y, and our rule is given by that equation y equals x plus 2. So x plus 2 equals y. All right, so now it's just about checking each answer choice. So answer choice A, the first numbers are 5 and 7. Does 5 plus 2 equal 7? Yeah, so A looks pretty good there. Then we've got 8 and 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Yep. And 19 and 11. Oh, does 19 plus 2 equal 11? I don't think so. So A is out. Answer choice B starts with 0 and 2. 0 plus 2 does equal 2. 6 and 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 19 and 20, or and 2 and equals 21. That one looks good too. So B looks really good. Let's see if we can get rid of those last two. So answer choice C. First numbers 9 and 7. 9 plus 2 equals 7? I think that one's backwards. C is out. And finally, answer choice D. 3 and 6. Does 3 plus 2 equal 6? Nope. That's 3 times 2 equals 6. D is out. And so, correct answer is B.